Midsummer, but even now, autumn is around the corner. Everyone's in a hurry to make the most of nature's gold rush. And no one is busier than this creature. A rufous hummingbird, the tiny master of the Rockies, weighing less than a penny, and with a pulse rate of 1,000, no heart beats faster. In summer, they live at the very north of the Rockies, using the long days to raise their family. These tiny newborns are the size of a sugar cube in a nest so light it's held together with spider silk. Their busy mother feeds them 60 times a day on a mix of regurgitated nectar and insects. Hummingbird rocket fuel. She can raise a whole family in just 18 days. Soon, there's only one chick left. But she's reluctant to fly the nest. She's still getting used to the big, wide world. But the biggest moment of her life is about to begin. The flowers here are dying. She must fly south in search of food. She's the smallest creature on the greatest journey in the Rockies. "3,000 miles from the very north to the very south. Less than a month old, totally on her own, she must race down the Rockies to catch the blossoming flowers. She crosses the border from Canada to the USA and then flies south over mountain lakes, over 5 states, over great peaks, and down through huge mountain passes. At the very south of the Rockies, the mountain meadows have just a moment when every flower is full of nectar. It's hummingbird heaven, and she's arrived at the perfect time. Here she has a pit stop to refuel, but not a moment to relax. She's off again, further south, chasing the sun. The tiny hero of the Rockies with the most epic journey of all.